Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Zach Bryan Revival on guitar. Start by tuning to standard tuning and place a capo on the 2nd fret for the original key. Learn the 4 core chords used in the song and practice clean finger placement for each chord change. Work on the signature strumming pattern slowly, then increase tempo gradually while keeping dynamics and feeling consistent for each section. Focus on the chord shapes and how they connect. Practice each change slowly until your fingers move without thinking, then loop 2 bars at a time. Pay attention to releasing pressure slightly to avoid unwanted buzz and use a light palm mute for rhythm control. Count 4 steady beats, emphasize beats 2 and 4 for a natural groove, and keep dynamics soft in verses and stronger in choruses to convey emotion. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making lessons you enjoy. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. Great for long practice sessions or gig nights. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want to treat your feet. Now let's get back to the video. Work on the strumming patterns slowly and lock in the rhythm before speeding up. Begin with a simple down-down up-up-down-up pattern and play along with a metronome, raising tempo in small 5 BPM steps. Emphasize the backbeat and include light ghost strums to create a natural, lived-in groove. Practice dynamics by playing softer during verses and stronger on choruses, and record yourself to check timing and tone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.